Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) accused BJP of attempting to financially cripple Congress Party by freezing the bank account of the All India Congress Committee (Aicc) ahead of Lok Sabha polls using the Income Tax Department as a tool. Mpcc President K. Meghachandra said every political party organizes election campaigns with voluntary donations from the public or well-wishers. However, the sudden move of the income tax to freeze the account of the largest opposition party, barely a month left for the Lok Sabha polls, clearly indicates that democracy has gone for a toss in the country. This action speaks volumes that the ruling party is trying to paralyze the opposition party, added Meghachandra.
Money of the people, the contribution from the people, the contribution from the members, masigi paisa mayam se laiga kasina loina lawrani haidana being the loina close torga koisi election ya holoi dabagi mong se hojik laire. That is why how can we conduct our Congress party will conduct our election? How can we do elections in such a situation? Sugumba situation sida Congress party na party ki candidate nominate tawri state khudimakta Lok Sabha ki lepudru election asida mai magi account da expenditure ki demak paisa kapodabo mayam sindo account se frozen oiragadi aikoi gi bank se loina freeze tausan gargadi karamaina aikoi election yawgodori buno karamaina aikoi gi apamba phungdokkodori no social media da electronics media da aikoi gi masida charge bi gidabo mayam singse koi karamaina election tawgani aduna INCD election jahol laroi BJP khakta election tawrani haibagi mawongda aikoi gi paisa punamak transfer tawgiba bank da loina seize tawsalkan da income tax department na loina frozen tawga thambase masi mission mikhai naiba aduga masi condemn tawi thawungse yamna tahoidaba amani.
CLP leader and former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi termed the act of the ruling party as an insult to the democratic setup. A party fund of a political party is normally created with a nominal fee of members and contributions from MLAs and ministers from all over the country. If the issue concerns non-payment of taxes by Aicc, the party can still pay the defaulter fee, said Ibobi. However, freezing an account of an opposition party speaks for itself that democracy no longer exists in the country. Only the rule of the government, added Ibobi.
Opposition, particularly Indian National Congress, karimta ngang yaroi, karimta movement, karimta tawgo yaroi. Haigadi karai no democracy si karai do democracy ni wa. Maruina Congress. Aidi sumainu hainiga BJP na haiba tare Congress kaptane eba moina kiri bisi aduna democracy satpalai pa amuda healthy democracy lehanchi haiba tare gadi opposition ki voice issue ai lawba yabana lawni no adudi lali hairgana lali adum clarification tawga loi sumaina sum toksaladi democracy ki wahan thok lektaba and the klakado iba 24 ki loi Sabah elections ledi koina yamna sauna thajai madudi India block na soidra koi absolute majority hamdana anuba sarkar ma center la lakani haibse ko sauna thajai bani